Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video we're fixing Shopify store shows a product as sold out, even though if you have an inventory in stock. So firstly, step one, you can go to Shopify admin, log into your account of course, and go to your Shopify dashboard. Step number two, click on products in the left sidebar, find and click on the product that is incorrectly showing as sold out. Scroll down to the inventory section. Make sure the track quantity box is checked. Below that, confirm the quantity listed as greater than 0. Click Edit Locations and ensure that the inventory is available at the active fulfillment location. Shopify might show 10 in stock at an inactive location. That won't work. Make sure your fulfillment location matches where the product is stocked. If the product has variants, click each one and check the inventory quantity. Sometimes only one size or color has stock and the others don't, which may show the whole product as sold out if not configured right. Under product status, make sure the product is available on the online store channel. If it's only available on point of sale or another channel, it won't show as available online. So these are pretty much the fixes. After that, of course, make sure to click on Save. If all above is correct and is still saying sold out, go to Settings, Locations, and double check if your location is marked as active and properly prioritized. That's pretty much the fix, guys. Hopefully you enjoy. Like the video and subscribe. See you in the next one.